Well, there are some unusual thoughts about what's going to happen in tomorrow's eclipse, so here's one of them.
You're going to see the moon and the sun both in the sky at the same time. The only thing about this is you're going to know for a fact that it is not the moon that is covering the sun. You guys don't understand how important that is for mankind. This means everything that they have taught you about our solar system has been a lie. The sun being 93 million miles away, a lie. The moon being 200,000 miles away, a lie. How do we know that it's a lie? Well, just like the last eclipse, NASA's getting ready to launch 3 more missiles into it. How in the hell do they have a missile that can go 93 million miles? Hell, they don't even have a missile that can go 200,000 miles.
The eclipse is an event, not a location. Plus, they're not launching missiles at the eclipse. What they're doing is they're launching it into near space or into the atmosphere so they can measure the effects right underneath the eclipse. There's something called the solar wind, which is a steady stream of particles from the sun that they see if there's what they could be doing is seeing what the eclipse is on that. Plus, right now we're in an active solar cycle, so they'd be kind of measuring what happens to the corona. These are 2 coronas taken from a previous eclipse. One's in 2017. I can't remember the other one on the top of my head, but that's what they're doing. Plus, also there are other probes like the Parker Space Probe that's actually orbiting inside the sun's atmosphere, and the Solar Dynamics Observatory that's observing the sun from the orbit of the Earth. Also, there are a number of experiments that are going to be done on the Earth from balloons and stuff during the eclipse. Okay, let's...
So if it's not the moon's shadow that we're going to see across the sun, what is it? Nibiru, the planet cleaner, the dew weapon, the Death Star. You all.
Nibiru is a fictional planet. It was made up, I think, by Zachary Stitchin in the 90s, and it's based off of a mistranslation of a Babylonian or Sumerian text. It's a planet that comes in from, has an orbit of 3,600 years. It comes in, does all kinds of nasty stuff, and has aliens on it out for the gold for the planet. And it's been shoehorned into a number of other conspiracies as well. So it's just fiction.
All know it by many names, but yeah, she's here. Now, being that Nibiru is another planet system, it's going to change the magnetic pull of Earth.
No, probably won't do anything because it doesn't exist. But the magnetic fields do flip once in a while, but that's probably due to internal issues inside the planet, and that's what we have scientists for, to figure out why that happens. And it has nothing to do with the fictional planet Nibiru. And yes, I keep on hearing Nibiru every once in a while. I hope everybody who can see the eclipse can see it. Around here in New Brunswick, it looks like it's going to be a clear sky. It's clear skies right now. It's cleared up all day long. I finally got my eclipse glasses from my cousin who lives down the road, who the wife purchased a box larger than what they needed, and so she put a notice up, and I walked down and got them. But yeah, I hope everybody enjoys it. It looks like Texas may be a bad spot after all. And a lot of people went down to Texas to see it. Hopefully it does turn out to be a good viewing. But everybody have a good night and enjoy the eclipse. Bye.